Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, we're going to show you how to delete all like videos on YouTube. So when you open your YouTube on your browser, as you can see on your screen, go to the left side of your screen and see the side menu option here and click on Show More button. And here, click on Like Videos. When you click on this one, you will go on the page where you can find all the likes on YouTube. So basically, if you want to delete or remove your like videos, just click on the three dots at the far right side of your screen and then click on this remove from like videos. So you can do that one by one here on this option. But if you want to delete all the like videos at once, all you need to do, click on the profile icon at the top right hand corner and then click on the settings right here at the bottom. Now here on these settings, scroll down and click on this view or change your Google account settings. Now here, click on manage your data and privacy. Here on this page, you want to scroll down and find the web and app activity. So you're going to need to tap on this option. Now here on activity controls, scroll down and click on manage all web and app activity. Now on the next page, go to the left side of your screen and click on the other activity option. Now once you click on other activity, you'll find here on the next page, scroll down and find the YouTube likes and dislikes. So right here, YouTube likes and dislikes. So you want to click on view likes and dislikes. So here on this page, you can see all your likes and dislikes on YouTube videos. If you want to delete, you just need to click on the X button and it will delete all the likes on YouTube from that date. So confirm that by clicking on delete button. So that's all. That's how you basically delete all your like videos on YouTube. So thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel.